slowly start to play out. I'm just gonna build my Napoleon with matzo. Real simple, matzo moves, matzo moves. I'm pulling out the tricks. I like you. I like you a lot.
I think Mark had some time on his hands. Could have finished earlier, but I was trying just to do as much as possible. I've used basil in desserts in the past.
Her face
So
was
I just
on.
thought about doing a palate cleanser. Cat has some kind of herb puree, and I have to say, could really either be fantastic or absolutely awful.
1 minute, folks.
1 minute.
Whoa, bless you. Oh, again. Oh, wow. How many was that? That's your most yet. Record 4.